Right, welcome to another episode of Electrical Solutions E4 Limited. Now, I've got myself a Hyundai HY7 whatever it is 524 air compressor. I'm going to unbox it and assemble it and let's see if it's any good. It's 15 kilos, it's not very heavy, so I'm not too sure about this right now, but let's have a look. Now, due to the fact that I ain't got a workbench, I'm going to be doing this on the floor, but eventually there'll be a video where I'm remodeling this whole workshop. There's going to be a whole new workbench here with a table saw integrated. Now, it's been raining quite heavily last night and today. It is very humid. That's why I'm wearing a vest. I don't normally wear a vest, but it is very humid. That's why, and I'm really hot. But let's get cracking. Now, sorry, just to clarify again, this is the Hyundai air compressor HY7524, oil-free, maintenance-free, low noise. It's meant to be very quiet compared to most compressors, but we will find out. Like I said, I managed to lift the whole thing from the van and inside here into here, so you know, it's a bit surprising how light it was. Right, what I'm going to do is, I ain't going to mess about. I'm going to lift it out. Let's just drag it out. Most importantly, before I forget, kids, if you're watching, Daddy loves you. I love you and I miss you. And hopefully these videos are useful where you guys can learn something. Just because I'm not there, don't mean I'm still not your dad, yeah? I'm still your dad. So, what does it come with? 2 wheels. Come with some accessories. Oh yeah, these are the fixings for the wheels. Let's get them out. Oh. Two feet. That's for the wheels. Air accessories. Air filter. That looks like an air filter, some sort of sleeve. Leave that in there. We'll just take a look around this unit now. There you go, no oil required. I mean, it's a nice compact little unit. Alright, let's put it together. we need to put the feet on the front here. Let's see how that goes. Right, so there you go. It's hollow inside there. So the feet go like that. Presume nut and bolt will go through with the washer through there like that. Feet go up. Washer, bolt down. Figure out where this goes. Figure it out. See that hole there? Air intake goes there. But before I screw it on, I'm going to put a bit of PTFE tape on it just to make sure there's no leaks. It went in way too easy. Needs more PTFE. Right, that went in way, screwed in way too easily. Hence, that will cause an air leak. That's why I'm loading this on now. So when this screws in, it screws in really tight. Still went in way too easy, I think. but we will see. So in theory, it's ready now. Plugged in. Right, that's how you set it up. I'm going to plug it in. Let's see how noisy it is, and let's see if it's any good. Oh, it's got that nice oil smell. It's got that new engine. To be fair, I'm going to bring the camera closer. You can gauge how loud you think this is. I don't think it's that loud. It's actually reasonably quiet for a compressor. I was saying that I think it's reasonably quiet for a compressor. I don't know if you can see, so that's now cut out. What is that? PSI bar 6.4, 6.5 bar. Technically, if it's not on the load, it should not come back in. Right, it's not. Look, it's not a bad bit of kit. 100 and. Right, just had a double check on Amazon. There's a model smaller than this that costs around 110, 120 quid. This was a second model up. This costs about 150, 152 quid on Amazon. I've double checked on the order. It doesn't show any accessories. It's in the Hyundai's video. It shows that it comes with these accessories, which is the spray gun, the air blower thing, whatever you call it, and the tire inflator. Unfortunately, looking at the order again, it doesn't come with that. That's a shame. Unfortunately, if it came with those bits, I think it would have been a bargain. But to buy that kit is another 20-25 quid. So Once I get those bits, I will be doing another video using the accessories, then seeing how this is. But so far you heard it was quite silent. It's a cute compact little unit, nice and light, very mobile, take it around wherever you need. But yeah, and I've shown you how to put the wheels on and the stands on, how to put the air filter on, how to get it working. The accessories would go in here. I don't want to pull this because we might let a load of air out, but I will show you how to use the accessories on the next video. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, follow and share, and I'll see you in the next one.